Can you all see a program on the screen? Yes. Now this is the most common type of program that will come in your exams also. At least 2 or 3 programs will definitely come for this particular kind of execution, where the use of plus, 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 minus, minus, and plus minus operators are being used for different type of calculation. Okay. Now, in this program, the value of two variables k and 9 is given. This can be written as k plus equal to k plus plus minus plus plus j plus k. These two are having the same meaning, these two statements. So you will get the question in this format. Then you have to convert the statement into this. Now what is the plus equal to operator? The plus equal to operator says it is, I am using a word platform to write all these things. मेरी क्लास चल रही है 2:30 बजे तक है ठीक है Now we will start. I will just increase the font size. Okay. Now the four basic operators that we use, these are the plus, minus, multiply, divide, and percentage. I think the explanation for these operators you don't need. Yes, these operators are clear. Yes, Kavya, you want to ask anything? Kavya? Kavya, you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Ved?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the basic mathematical operators that we use in our programs. And I don't think you need the explanation for these. Only the percent sign, I feel some of you will be feeling why the percent sign is here. Or you all know what the percent sign will do.
Ma'am,
We know. We know.
Ma'am, modulus.
Yes, the percent sign is the modular that is used for
Remainder.
Remainder.
finding
Remainder.
out the remainder after dividing two variables. Okay. Now the next goes to the assignment operators. What are the assignment operators? Equal to. A equal to 5 we write. Means what we are doing? We are assigning a value to the particular variable. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in this mathematical operators only, we have to use unary operators. Unary operators. What are the unary operators? That work on the one operand only. I have explained this in the first class also. That the unary operands work on the one operand, like A plus
स्क्रॉल करके देखो कितना डिटेल यूज हुआ है
again Papa's logo in this. It works. Bring it, please. Jaldi. Children, my system is having some connection issues. Give me 2 minutes. I am getting it connected. Again, if I am. Please, 10 minutes.
दो से 4 मिनट लग सकते हैं मैम ने कुछ बोला मैं लिख नहीं पाया वो आप पढ़
अभी लिखो, टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. Can you all of you are able to see what I am writing?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next we are going to study is the unary operators that work on the one operand only. Now, what is one operand? What are the operands? Suppose I have written C is equal to A plus B. Now here equal to is the assignment operator, plus is the arithmetic operator, and A and B are the operands on which we are going to perform any operation. Right? So plus is the operator which works on two operands. We need to add two values or three values. So at least two operands are required for all these arithmetic operators. Right? But for the unary operators, we don't need two or three operands. We will work on one operand only. Now, how will we work? This is the increment or decrement operators. It can be plus plus. We can write it as A plus plus or plus plus A. Both are correct. Or we can write it, these are the increment operators. We can use decrement operators also. B plus plus and plus plus B. What is the difference between A plus plus and plus plus A? B plus plus and plus plus B. What is the difference between these two? Can anybody tell? Please raise up your hand if you know the answer. Nobody? Nobody knows? Rohan?
Ma'am, in the first one, B is capital. In the second one, B is in lowercase.
No. I can write it as say B. It's okay.
Ma'am, there is no difference.
There is a difference.
Ma'am, plus
Here?
plus.
Yes.
Ma'am, plus plus is afterwards or before in the second one.
Okay. If I have used if I have written here A is equal to 3 and these I have written in two different statements. Suppose this is 1, then here semicolon, again here also semicolon, and I use, okay, we will do this in the Can you see the Java screen also here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Just hold on, children. Now you can see the Java screen.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Still?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now we can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so I have taken the variable age whose value is 5. Then I have written a plus plus. Now when we write a plus plus operator after the variable, that is called postfix increment, right? We are using the operator after the operand. Here I have written plus plus a. So this is called the, what will we call it? Prefix increment. Okay, so first we'll see the result of postfix increment. Now I will put 2 slashes in front of the line, so my statement will not get executed. This is called putting the comments. If I want to write something in between, I can put the comment. So I want to see the result of only first a plus plus operator.
Okay.
Compile this.
Rename hot gateway.
Close it.
Service gateway. And reach my API gateway. And API gateway.
What was the value of a? 5 we have taken in the
5.
program, right? And now the value is being printed 6.
Lower
Okay.
licenses.
We'll see again what is the prefix
No
increment.
licensing basically.
Oh God. You all also don't tell me that I have not written the variable only over here. How will it print?
And it was lagging, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it was lagging.
This is also showing me the value of a is 6. So now what is the difference between? Anybody?
What, ma'am?
The result still is coming 6 as the output, right? If
Yes,
I
ma'am.
see, then what is the difference between both of them?
Ma'am, the A plus plus means A plus 1, whereas plus plus A means 1 plus A.
No. A plus plus means right now we are not doing multiple operations with these operator plus plus. In the A plus, in plus plus A, first the increment of the value happens, then the operation will get executed. Whereas in plus plus A plus plus, first the value will remain as it is and then the execution happens. I'll show you with an example. Suppose a is equal to 5 and I have written here a is equal to plus plus a plus m into, oh sorry, plus a into 4. So according to you, what should be the value? Priyadarshini, what should be the value?
I don't know.
Yes, Raj? Any idea?
Yes, ma'am.
What should be the
Yes,
value
ma'am.
here?
Where, ma'am?
In this expression, what will be the value of A?
6.
Please read the statement, dear. A equal to 6, I have already written.
Yes.
After the execution, what will be the value?
Maybe it would be 10, 24,
How?
because A into 4 is written over there.
Ma'am, 30.
Guneet?
Ma'am,
Guneet?
Ma'am, 30.
Why 30?
Ma'am, 28.
Please give me your reasons as well. I will not accept any value like that.
Ma'am, 28.
Why 28?
Ma'am, because plus A increases one value, so 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 into 4 is 28.
और ये बीच का प्लस कहाँ जाएगा?
Ma'am, 35.
Sorry, I didn't see that.
हाँ?
Ma'am, I think it's 30.
Who said that?
Because A
I'm
into 4 is 24 and plus A is equal to 6. A is 6, so plus 20, 24 plus 6, 30.
The value of A is 6 here. Now I have written plus A means it has to increase the value first, then doing the calculation. So 6 will become 7 over here,
7.
right? Plus 7 into 4. 7 fours are
28.
28. Plus 7. Plus 7 will give me
32.
35.
35, sorry, yes.
35.
35.
Right? So we'll see what the answer comes. Compile it. And why it is coming again? A equal to 35. Right? Now the same program we will convert into postfix. Now in place of plus A, I will write down A plus plus. Now what will happen? The value of A will be taken as 6 here. After taking 6, it will be increased and then added to the multiplication of A, and so it will be 7 fours are 28 plus 6 will give me 34 as the answer. We'll see the output first, then I will clarify your doubts, whoever is raising up the hand. Look, the answer is 34. Okay. Now who has raised the hand, please unmute yourselves and ask the question one by one.
I didn't understand the code.
Who is that?
Yash Raj.
Yes, Raj. Yes, Raj. We have taken a variable named A and assigned the value of A is equal to 6. Okay. After that, we have written this code. We use the plus plus operator, increment plus plus operator to get the answer. Now, there were two types of using the increment operator. First one was before the variable A plus plus should be written. And the second is after the variable A plus plus sign is written. This is the postfix kind of expression, right? It is postfix increment operator. Now, in this operator, the value of a variable a will, after the conversion of this variable, what will happen? I will just write down what will be the values. A is equal to here. A, now it is plus plus, means whatever the previous value of a will be taken here. So previous value is 6, then plus. After taking the value 6, the value of a has been increased by 1. So it has become 7 and then multiplied by 4. Now with the BODMAS, it has been calculated. First you have to multiply, then add. Right? So 7 fours are, yes Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
7 fours are is
28.
28, and then plus 7 will, plus 6 will give me
34.
right? So my answer over here will be 34. But if I have written the same code for the variable b, say integer b is equal to 6, and I have written the same code b is equal to plus plus b plus b into 4. What is the difference between these two statements apart from the variable name? This plus plus sign has been, this plus plus sign is the prefix
Postfix and
and this is
prefix.
prefix. Now, while executing this statement, what will happen? It is b is equal to plus plus b, means whatever was the previous value of b will be incremented by 1. So that will become 7 plus 7 into 4. Again, with the help of BODMAS, it will get executed. Yashraj, please concentrate on the screen. Now it will be 7 fours are 28 again, plus 7 will give me 35. Is it clear now? Yashraj, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranjal,
Yes, ma'am.
you were also having a question.
It was the same.
Now it is cleared.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else who has a doubt over here? No? Yes or no? No doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are left with less than 5 minutes, 1 minute only, I think. So I will be posting some similar kind of calculations for plus and minus operators for you to solve. Solve them manually in your notebooks.